Hi, it's Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. I'm here in McLean, Virginia, and I'm here cleaning one flight of stairs. And this is actually a wool carpeting, wall to wall. So you have to be especially careful when you're cleaning wool. You can't use extreme heat. Matter of fact, you don't want to use too much heat. Or actually, you want to use as little heat as possible, especially when using the truck mount. And you don't want to go too alkaline on the alkaline side with your soaps. Preferably, you want to use something that is good and safe for wool. In this case, I'm using probiotics. Probiotics works well with silk, pretty much any fabric really. Even the outdoor furniture, patio works with that. Works with wool, like I just said. So you really got to be careful because once you get wool wet, especially with something that you're not supposed to clean it with, it's gonna start smelling. This has minimal scent because I'm using the right product. It's not gonna brown because, well, it is brown, but it's still not gonna brown, and it's not gonna smell, and it's not gonna be crunchy after you finish cleaning it. It's gonna be nice and soft. So yeah, if you have wool rugs, let me know that are wall to wall, or even wool rugs. We clean those too as well. All right, thank you.